Have you ever wondered how to get the best out of artificial intelligence? How do you craft the perfect question to unlock its full potential? Welcome to the world of prompt engineering. Think of artificial intelligence like a brilliant artist or writer eager to create, but they need clear instructions. Prompt engineering is simply the process of designing and refining those instructions to guide the AI towards the desired outcome. So, what makes a good prompt? First, clarity and specificity. Don't just say, write a story. Be precise. Tell the AI what kind of story, how long, what tone, and what elements to include. Provide enough context so the AI understands your vision. Let's break down these key elements. You can assign the AI with a role. Act as a historian, or you are a marketing expert. Define the exact task. Generate 5 headline options, or explain quantum physics. Specify the format as bullet points, in a poetic style, or as a JSON object. And finally, add constraints or examples to guide the output even further. Keep it under 100 words, or based on the following data. Prompt engineering isn't a one-shot deal, it's an iterative process. You'll try a prompt, analyze the AI's output, and then refine your prompt based on what you learned. This continuous feedback loop helps you engineer the perfect request. So why bother? Effective prompt engineering leads to much better results. It saves you time by avoiding irrelevant outputs and truly unlocks the incredible potential of AI tools across various fields, from writing to coding to creative design. Ready to become a prompt engineer? Start experimenting. The more you practice, the better you'll become at conversing with AI. Happy prompting.